Empire, 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 empire. Hey yo, what's up? You see what's going on? It's Fabio Foreign. I'm outside, I'm wildin'. I'm with DJ Ties. We gon' viral every day. Bow!
Take it down, down. Would you try to get? Take it down, down, down. Take it down, down. Would you try to get? Take it down, down. Take it down. Would you cry? Would you try to get? Down me down, I want you to be glad. Take it down, down me down. I need you to be glad. I will wait for you, for you. Take it down. I will wait for you. You gotta get it down. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Hey y'all, it is me, Naya, back with another video on my channel, as you can see. And today is Mother's Day. So it is May the 14th, Sunday. And today is gonna be a spend a day with me vlog. So basically, we going out to eat. We're going to, I think, visit my grandma's grave. We get on this boat and doing like some different stuff. So I'm just gonna bring y'all with me because we're gonna be lit today. So right now I just got off of work. Y'all don't mind my room too, it's not finished, but I think y'all gonna see this vlog before y'all see them vlogs because I ain't even started to edit those ones yet, so you know. But right now it's 12:32 and I'm finna get my clothes out. I think, yeah, I'm finna get my clothes out and then I'm gonna go get in the shower and just start getting dressed. We supposed to be leaving, I think, by 2, so I gotta kinda hurry up. So yeah, I want to look cute today, so I'm trying to think what I want to wear. My mom is wearing, I think, blue and yellow. She got on some jeans, but I really don't want to wear no jeans. I ain't even gonna lie. So I'm finna see. I think I want to wear this shirt that I got for my birthday that I never wore. So I got this shirt that I really never wore before. I can wear that one. Or I got this shirt that I really never wore before. That's the front and that's the back. But if I wear my green shirt, I'm wearing my Panda Dunks with that. But if I don't wear that green shirt, then I don't know what I'm gonna wear. So I got these black leggings. They like cute, like fancy. And I got these black stacked jeans that I made a little while ago. I feel like these also be cute with the back edges. I'm gonna keep the purse that I already been wearing with the Panda Dunks. Jewelry is gonna be my necklace. Alright y'all, so this is what I have so far. So these pants, these leggings or these jeans, this shirt, my Dunks, either white Nike socks or black ones, them glasses, these glasses or those glasses, or I might not wear no glasses. We got these bangles. They silver, but I'm gonna wear them. My Apple Watch. These are the other bangles I was talking about. We got my necklace, and I'm wearing this purse with the Dunks, and yeah, I feel like that's gonna be super cute. Right now I'm gonna get in the shower because I kind of need to hurry up. It's 12:45, so I got my outfit out in like 15 minutes, which is good. So y'all, I just read the group message and we're actually leaving at 1:30, so that kind of means I gotta hurry up even more because it's already finna be 1 o'clock. But I took a shower this morning. I just didn't do my hair this morning, so my shower not gonna take that long. So I should be out the shower by like 1. It's 12:47. So yeah, I'm gonna get in the shower real fast and then I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get out the shower.
not trying too hard.
Okay, y'all, so I'm all finished getting ready. I put on some lip liner and then I did some mascara. Light, easy stuff, you feel me? But I'm gonna take pictures really quick, but I need my little tripod. Cause I'm not taking my big one cause it's gonna be too much attention on me. So we're finna get the little one. Right here. I don't think, should I change my case? No. I really don't like this purse, but like, that's the only purse I really got. This one and like my Nike one. So I had a rib on purses. I feel like I threw a lot of them away on the move here. But yeah. So I'm finna change my tripod real quick, then I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, so I changed my tripod. And this is what my outfit is giving. Feel me? And then this is the back of my shirt. Can y'all see? Yeah. So that's why I got on the panda dunks. Because of the back of the shirt. Oh, I came back down here to get my bracelets. So I can put these on. And this kind of looks small. Hey y'all, so right now we at Walmart. My mom ran in there a little minute ago so she can grab some roses. I stayed. Right now it's 2:30. And our sister is meeting us back at the house. So, yeah. I don't know what time the boat thing starts. So, yeah. This eye's like, I feel like there's something in it. But I'm gonna get back to her and we're doing something different. Because right now we're not doing nothing but sitting in the car.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one, really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now.
Oh, they big.
We used to feed them with bread.
Dang, they be eating sharks or alligator.
Them the ones that pass the leg.
Ivan trying to pet the fish. He talking about some, yeah. No, Ivan, you cannot pet fish.
How you doing? I wanna.
Cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
outside and
And the bridge is, well, it has a reputation. If you are from here, you probably know why the Fort Pitt Bridge has a bit of a reputation. If you don't, you see, it's whether or not you're going in or out of the Fort Pitt Bridge, you only have in 2021 by Cameron Nisbet, a local artist. He also goes by Cameron Nisbet. And it contains 12 underrepresented black faces of Pittsburgh. There are Pittsburghers from the past and present on that mural. You may recognize Billy Cooper.
another one.
So instead, when the city
Life is beautiful.
in 2003, they named it a tribute to children.
Pull up in that two-tone, got me feeling like a Jetson. Let it up, I'm sneaking in that shredder like my piston. Have a bag on her, I'm a sponsor, she my investment. She not the only one without no question. She don't want me with nobody else. She just want me all to herself. She don't share with nobody else. She just want me all to herself. Make her feel like a superstar, she way above average. I just do spaghetti her cause I'm a barbarian. Soon as I put a paddock on her, then these hoes staring. Almost went to therapy, but you was all I needed. I can't even front, you gave me something to believe in. No more automobiles, take your talent to bleed. You came up and leave cause you call a nigga cheat. Every single night we burn sage cause we toxic. Mushrooms got us outside our bodies. She's so used to me swallowing, now it's turning her rotten. Anytime I leave out on tour, don't be plotting. Every time I'm leaving out the door, she talk fights. Just make sure you're holding me down before out your sight. I go up for Grammys, been by this shit international. Whatever you do, just stay true and show passion. When you talk, be precise.
I took a flight for the paddock. You said, babe, it was so dramatic.
Alright, y'all, so right now we at Red Lobster. We just ordered our drinks. So
Okay, so I'm going to get 2,000 crab legs and shrimp scampi.
She's so used to me swallowing, now it's turning her rotten. Anytime I leave out on tour, don't be plotting. Every time I'm leaving out the door, she talk fights. Just make sure you're holding me down before out your sight. I go up for Grammys, been by this shit international. Whatever you do, just
y'all, so hold on, it's so blurry. Alright, that look better. But hey y'all, I'm back home. I really didn't show y'all when we was at Red Lobster because they had messed up our food, and they didn't even mess it up. It was just super like cold. So yeah, so I didn't really show y'all that. But I did get, I think I got a few clips from the first time, but not a lot. I did get clips on the boat. I got clips when we was driving to the boat, from the boat. I'm trying to think where else I got clips at. Dang, how can I get these bracelets on? Right now, it's 11:14. I'm finna get ready to go to bed for school tomorrow. So I just started up my shower water. Shower tonight, so I don't gotta get in the morning. But clear off my bed. I really don't know if I want to show you this stuff, show y'all this stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna just get back to that when I get out the shower, because this is a spend the day with me, so this is still part of my day. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to that when I get out the shower. Hey y'all, so I'm out the shower for a little minute, but y'all, I forgot to wash my face in the shower, but I'm washing in the morning. But I've been on shower for a little minute, but I forgot to end out this video. So bye y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video. I would show y'all what I'm finna do, but I'm finna just sit here and try to start editing this video, maybe. So yeah, bye y'all, catch y'all on my next video. Peace.